Alright, so now is the time where I'm going to turn myself into that picture I showed. That weird, sneezing, coughing woman. And she does not have any facial hair, so I need to get rid of that first. Alright, so I don't shave to the skin pretty much ever. I mean, probably less than 5 times in the past, like 7 or 8 years. So I don't have any shaving cream, but I'm going to use a lot of water and Dr. Bronner's. This all wet. Really hope I don't get razor burn. This is a mixture of peppermint and lavender, and the peppermint is already starting to burn my face. I don't know if that's going to be a good idea once I start, like razoring. Got a lot of blood right there. Don't like it. A little bit worried that I'm going to get razor burn. So, I don't know if this is going to help or not, but it seems like it might. A little bit of cocoa butter lotion. Okay, first step done. Alright, so from here on out, I'm going to keep the fans running. It's just too hot, and I'm going to be putting makeup on soon enough, and I can't be sweating off my makeup and my nose. So here's my nose. Okay. So, get any extra skin oil off. So it says first step is to take the adhesive and do a thin layer on the inside of this nose, but also fit it first. Cool. That looks nice. Thin layer of adhesive. This adhesive might be already dry. I'm gonna try the other side. Fuck. The adhesive is already dry.
What are you gonna do?
I guess just try the latex and hope that works. Yeah, it's just like silly putty. Luckily, I've made enough short films and have done costumes. I have Spirit Gum adhesive. I assume this is okay. I mean, I think I got this to apply a mustache to someone's face, so should be fine on this. And this is actually kind of nice because it has, if I can open it, it has a little paintbrush. Or I guess it's a Spirit Gum adhesive brush. But I can just take that, paint it to the inside of this nose, and then apply. Except the thing I do remember is that when I picked this up, it also came with Spirit Gum remover. So hopefully I can get this off pretty easily when it comes time. Honk. Alright. Am I pretty? I don't think I'm supposed to be pretty. Haley says she likes it. Alright, we'll set up the computer and the camera and alright, we're finished. I think I'm gonna keep this on. I go to the gas station across the street. Will you walk with me to the gas station? No? Yeah, the shots went pretty well. We probably took like 50, and definitely there's a few that are really good that I have to choose from. Oh.
Wow, you just got so much hotter.
Just finished up those pictures. 2 nights ago, I went ahead and cleaned a bunch of items, getting them ready for eBay pictures. I haven't done that yet, and wasn't able to get to pictures today, but I was able to go to the outlet to get more stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that before I take pictures. Let's see what I got. I'm not gonna show everything. This is a Braun electric razor cleaner. Every time I get one of these, they sell pretty quickly. Never for a lot, but maybe like 25, 19, 25. I got this electric heated blanket controller. Now, they don't sell very well in the summer. I will still sell maybe one a month, but I'm trying to stock up. And so once winter comes, I'll make a lot of extra money just selling these. I probably have like 20 or more right now. Harley Davidson racing shirt. It's HP 12C calculator. There's a whole group of just calculator collectors out there. This one's not too special, but there's some that goes for hundreds of dollars. A Auric air purifier. Physically in really good condition, but I have not tested it yet. I got 3 Hi8 tapes of somebody else's vacation. I don't know, I think it might be fun to look at. These are just regular cassette that I will just keep in that box until I get a certain amount. And it's a vintage heat massager. Like the nice little graphic on there. Well, I mean, a few other things, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead, get this cleaned and hopefully get to pictures tonight.